Hello, hello. I missed you guys. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos. Flip over Fulani braids. You guys want to see how I got these done? Stay tuned and I'll show you. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Let's just get right into it, you guys. I'm going to be using some regular pre-stretch braiding hair. All of my products that I'm going to be using is going to be listed in the description box below. First thing I do want to say is this was a challenge. I was not at home, so my comfortable zone was a little challenged, but it's all good. We got this hairstyle done and I can't wait to show you guys. As you're parting your hair, make sure you're oiling your scalp up because you don't want to go back and oil it after your hair is done because you don't want to nick something or take something out of place. Okay, being though these are half box braids and half cornrows, I wanted the braids in the back to be a little medium, not too small and then not too big. For all my non-braiders, this is the grip game that I'm trying to show you exactly how to grip your edges. Look at my fingers, look how I'm holding it, hold it a little tight, and then I wanted to show you how I separate my hair into three. So if you like, go ahead and rewind it and slow it down so you can see just how to get that grip really good. I always wind up turning it around so it'll be a little more comfortable for me to braid. I don't just stay all the way to the back. You're gonna have to eventually turn it around and then braid normally or comfortably. Okay, when braiding this, just braid it all the way down to the ends, pretty tight. We're gonna dip it in hot water at the very end. No curls today, just straight up, braid it all the way down. I'm calling this part separation. That's how you separate your hair into three. That's how I always did it. There's other ways to do it, but I'm comfortable with this way. Do you see how thick my hair is? But once I start braiding and I put magic fingers on it, you can't even tell that my hair is even thick. See how smooth, you see how neat that, those braids, how the magic fingers make your hair look. I'm telling you, make sure you have that. I mean, you can try to use other, gels and other products like that, but I prefer this the best when it comes down to braiding. These are the results when you really are braiding really tight, you're braiding consistent, and this is what I recommend when you're doing your box braids. I'm not even gonna lie, you guys, those look great. I'm really digging those right now. If yours does not look like this, don't worry. Practice does not make you perfect, it makes you better, so just keep practicing. These are also freestyle Fulani braids. This is my interpretation of Fulani. So, I did look at a couple videos to see what Fulani meant or what do they do in Fulani. So I'm doing my freestyle, I'm doing my way of Fulani today. Remember, please do not make these tight no matter how you're braiding, no matter where you're braiding. Definitely don't make these tight. And on your edges, I am telling you, do not make those tight because you do want your edges. The tighter that the braid is or the twist or whatever, the more your edges will be pulled out. So just be careful. You know what? I'm not gonna lie, you guys. I surprised myself. When I was younger, I used to braid my hair a lot, and I always braided my hair with no nails. I made sure I took my nails off so I can be able to grip my hair. But as you can see, my nails are long, and for me to be braiding my hair cornrows with these long nails on, medium nails on, you know what? I'm proud of myself because it was hard back in the day. So you know what? Kudos. So everything that I'm doing to this side, I'm going to mirror it on the other side. So you know, you guys, I told you I'm not the best parter. I'm really not, but I tried my best to mirror it, okay? So take your time. So I am adding hair to each cornrow. Make sure you, you know, slow. Don't put too much hair, or don't put big pieces as you're braiding these because it just won't look right. So make sure the pieces are a little smaller when you're adding them to your hair. Okay, sweethearts, I'm gonna go ahead and get braiding, and I'm gonna talk to you guys at the end. Guys, these look so good. Please make sure you are conditioning, oiling your hair up as you go. And I'm just gonna finish these off with some slant braids to the top. Please don't make them too tight. I even, as I'm braiding, I grab the corn roll and I push it towards my head as I'm braiding so I know it won't be too tight. These braids were amazing. I really like the length on these braids too. Oh my God, it's just immaculate. I hope you guys like these. And we are finished, you guys. I have a total of 34 braids in the back, and then you can do the math on the front. Okay, don't forget to cut all your flyaways, you guys. And now it's time to dip. Please be cautious, my loves, when you're dipping your hair. If there's someone next to you, please ask them to help you. And these are the final results, my sweethearts. Fulani, Fulani, Fulani. Flip over method, okay? Oh my gosh, I'm loving these, you guys. This was so fun. I'm so glad that you guys were here to do these with me. Please don't forget to like, comment, please share, sweethearts. And if you're new here, subscribe. Can't wait to hear from you. I love you, even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time.